Hello, boys and girls. In math today, we're going to be talking about something cool called symmetry. Symmetry. It's a very fancy sounding word. Well, before I tell you about symmetry, I want to show it to you. So, I'm going to take a piece of paper like this, and I'm going to fold it in half. Remember, when we fold a paper in half, you want to line up the edges together. Okay, so that it will truly be folded down the middle. All right. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to show you something really cool. So now there's this part of the paper which is like folded down, but this is the part where the two sides are not connected. This part of the paper is connected, right? Okay, so that's the part that's folded. So I'm going to cut along this side that has the folded edge, and I'm going to make a shape. So I'm going to start here. See if you can figure out what shape I'm going to make. Now you're looking at this, you're like, Miss Rapido, that's not a shape. Well, I have to unfold it. And what shape do we have? A heart. It goes perfectly with our theme of all heart, right? So right here, I have this heart, this shape of a heart. Now look at the two parts of the heart. Look at the two parts. Do they look the same? They match exactly, right? Like it curves up here, then it goes a little bit straight right here, but it does the same thing on this side, right? The parts match exactly. A shape with two matching parts has symmetry. So if there's a shape that has two matching parts, it has symmetry. That shape has symmetry. Now this line down the middle, the folded line, that is called the line of symmetry. So this line shows me where the heart can be split in half for it to have two matching parts. Okay, so this heart has symmetry because this side is exactly like this side. And the line down the middle is our line of symmetry. It shows us where the shape can be split so that there's two sides that are exactly the same. Okay? This isn't just with hearts though. You can do this with any other, well, almost any other shape. You could do this with squares or circles or rectangles or triangles. There's a spot where you can draw a line of symmetry that will show the two matching parts. Now that is going to be part of your worksheet for today. You are going to start off, they're going to show you the lines of symmetry, okay? They're going to show you one like this, and then they might show you a line like this that goes across. Now, is this a line of symmetry? Does this part match this part? No. So this line is not the line of symmetry. The line down the middle, that is the line of symmetry. Okay, so they're going to show you some pictures on the first page, 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're going to show you some pictures that show lines through shapes, and you have to decide which one is showing the line of symmetry. Okay, so which one shows two matching parts that if you took the shape and you folded it, like I can with my heart, if you took the shape and you folded it, it would line up perfectly, just like my heart does. It would line up perfectly. That shows symmetry. That shows that this side perfectly matches this side. Okay, so you're going to do that on the front page. And then you do not have to do number 5. But then on the other page, so that page was 333, Then on 334, you're going to have to draw your own lines of symmetry, okay? Then they're going to ask you to make 2 lines of symmetry. Now you might be like, what? 2 lines of symmetry? Well, let me use my paper to make another shape, and we can look at how we can get 2 lines of symmetry from that shape. All right, what shape do I have here? A square. Good. So we can get a line of symmetry by folding him in half first, right? There's one line of symmetry. This side matches this side perfectly, right? Then, but we could also make a line of symmetry across. Unlike the heart, where we couldn't make one straight across, on this square, we can make another line of symmetry and show that this side also matches this side, okay? So for numbers 12, 13, and 14, you're going to get to make 2 lines of symmetry. All right, and then let's see, for number 15 is optional. So you can do it if you'd like to. It requires you to use a piece of paper and to cut out the paper and trace them and fold them and then color the pages there. So that one is optional. You can do it, but you don't have to. All right, so remember, let's review real quick. So with symmetry, if a shape has symmetry, then it has one side, one part that matches the other part exactly. The line that can be drawn to divide those 2 parts is called the line of symmetry, okay? So this here is our line of symmetry, but this one is not, okay? Or like on our square, we have our line of symmetry that goes up and down, but we also have a line of symmetry that can go across. So some shapes have more than one line of symmetry, and some have only one. Okay, so it's for you to decide where those lines of symmetry should go on the back of the page. Okay, so you're going to complete workbook pages 333 and 334, and then you'll be done with math for the day. All right, boys and girls, if you have any questions, please be sure to have your parents email me so I can help you out a little bit. All right, you're doing a great job, boys and girls. Can't wait to see you soon.